Hi guys, and welcome to the 30-second video in this video diary series where I share my first startup journey. So yesterday I still had some conversations with the person who has to help me with the whole company registration thing. So hopefully by Monday we'll start the process, and he assured me it's not going to take long, that we might even finish the very Monday, so that some rules and regulations have been put in place to facilitate the registration of new companies. So that's great. On the coding side, things are going well, making a lot of progress on that side. Data entry side, things are going like this. So some days we get some success, we are able to get lots of data. Other days it's not going very well, we are struggling to look for different channels to get this data. So yeah, but we keep going. So but what some highlights from yesterday. So yesterday I had a lecture. So some of you guys know, if you've been following this journey, you know I'm presently doing my master's in data science and AI, and one of the courses we are doing is project management. And in this project management course, we do things like the waterfall methodology, agile. In agile you have Scrum and you have Kanban, so all of those things. So we learn in that course. So yesterday during conversations, the teacher mentioned a book, the Lean Startup. So as he mentioned, there's a lot of students reacted saying, yeah, they have read it too, and it's a really good book to read. Because we're talking about the different types of methodologies and project management methodologies, and which one is more suitable for which kind of situations. And we were saying the agile methodology is what is more suitable for startups or tech startups. So because with the waterfall methodology, there are all these assumptions that you know everything that's going to happen, and you make these rigid plans and stuff. But with agile, it's more flexible. As you go along, you reevaluate, you re-strategize, and you proceed. So yeah, so they're talking about the lean startup. So because the lean startup, it's kind of in line with the agile methodology, because it talks about getting the product to the market as soon as possible. So once you have the most viable product, you get it to the market as soon as possible. And you should always be in touch with what the consumer, so the person who is going to be using this product, what the consumer is really wants. So because right now I'm building this product, it's true we have spoken to some students, we are working with students. Okay, I just gave that up. So I have been trying to hold back some of the details of this project, but I just gave that up by saying we are working with students. Yes, it's a product in the education field. Yeah, cat's out of the bag. So anyway, so we are doing this work with students, and we have all this back and forth, but we still need to be able to get out this most viable product and still go through the testing phase, go back and redo certain things or take out certain things or add certain things based off the feedback we are getting on from the consumers themselves. So yeah, so as this book was recommended, I started reading it. I started listening to it, and it has a lot of value. So if you're out there and you are presently going through a similar journey, and or you plan to go to a similar journey, I would really recommend you read the lean startup. Yeah, so it talks about basically always having that channel of communication between you and the user, and not waiting to build a big cumbersome product and taking it out there to the market. The book even gives examples, like practical examples of companies who have built like elaborate products, hired staff, and they felt so confident in their product, feeling like it will scale. So they put all this infrastructure in place for a product that's going to scale, spend all this money and stuff. But then when the product went out there to the market, it didn't scale. That's not what the user wanted. So people didn't subscribe to their product and all that. So anyway, so basically when I was listening to the book, I was like, okay, I have to get my business planner to listen to this book, because it's a lot of value. Like, we have a lot of ideas, we want to do a lot of things, but you'll definitely be more wise to be in touch with our consumers as soon as possible, send out the product there as soon as possible, and as people use it, we build on what we already have out there. So Anyway, so that's those are some of the highlights. That's where I am in this journey. Thank you guys for watching. I hope these videos are really adding value to you. I hope it's motivating you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below about this whole process. I am willing to share everything I learned, because everything I'm doing right now is basically copying of people and learning from other people, and so I hope to give back too. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up to this video if you do enjoy my content. Subscribe, hit the notification button to keep following me on this journey. Bye guys.